There we go. Now, can you see me?
Is she still laggy?
I defragged the drives.
The machine should be purring like a kitten.
Oh. Excellent.
It appears to be working.
Hi there, pretty. Okay, here's the last one.
You should have all the precinct cameras.
Now can we get back to work? My trigger finger's itchy as hell.
Patience, Mr. Reese. The precinct cameras, we can run a real surveillance test.
No more tests. It's been almost 2 months. People are dying without us.
Hey, partner. Guess Glasses ain't got the magic intel, huh?
I mean, you're finally gonna have to be a real detective?
Even one error in the machine's code could have unimaginable consequences.
Just turn the damn thing on. This guy's not gonna fall.
Actually, the sky does fall a lot around you lunatics.
Cool your jets, Johnny boy. You're the muscle. Harry's the maestro.
This is delicate. Things must be taken one at a time, in order. How about you keep tinkering? I'll go shoot some knees, get my own intel.
Yeah, sounds like a great idea. Your CV could really use some more color.
I say let him go. Tarzan can beat his chest and stop bothering us. Oh dear.
It appears we have an issue with facial recognition.